तेषं तथागतो आह तेषं च यो निरोधो एवं वादी महासमं।
नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर
सभाई
के.एन. प्रसाद जी बोल रहे हैं, वाइस चांसलर
मोस्ट वेनरेबल भिक्षु संघा, other revered monks and upasakas from 25 different countries, professors and officials of Nalanda Mahavihar, friends from Bihar Tourism, guests from LFDI, especially Sister Diskit Wangmo, representative of the IBC New Delhi and Mahabodhi Temple, esteemed residents of this historic village Jethian, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very special moment of joy for us that we are gathered over here to commence 10th Jethian Peace Walk for the well-being of all the beings of all the world. At the very outset, I warmly welcome all the participants of the walk and extend my all best wishes for its success. Friends, the land we are standing upon at the moment has high significance, where Lord Buddha came first after attaining Buddhahood at Uruvela and stayed
लोग देख सकते हैं
at Supatithit Chaitya, very close to the village Jethian.
यहाँ पर आप लोग देख
This holy place has been termed in many ways in the different kind of Pali literature. One of these is Lathi Vanuyan or Lathi Van, described as a grove of bamboo trees to be used to make Lathi or Yasti at the southwest of Rajagah. The grove evidently received its name as Lathi Banuyan, Lathi Madhukavan, because of its green licorice creepers found in a vast area of this land. जेठियन के हमारे सम्मानित नागरिक वृंद, मैंने इस चीज़ को भी पहली बार देखा कहीं किसी सोर्स से। शायद आप लोगों ने में से कुछ लोगों ने पहले भी देखा होगा कि आपके गांव का नाम जो जेठियन पड़ा, बहुत सारे इस पर विचार आते हैं कि यष्टि वन से जेठियन पड़ा। मैंने एक अलग सोर्स से, जातकों से खास करके मैंने ये जाना है कि इस एरिया में जेठी मधु,
देखिए ड्रोन कैमरा उड़ रहा है,
नाम से एक मधु का उत्पादन प्रमुख वनस्पतियों के संग्रह से होता था, और शायद उसी जेठी मधु के नाम पर इस गांव का नाम जेठियन पड़ा हो। ये एक संभावना है जो कहीं से मिला है और इस पर रिसर्च करने की आवश्यकता है। तो जेठियन का एक अपना महत्व है, बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक धार्मिक महत्व है, आप सभी जानते हैं, जो कई नामों से जाना जाता है। Another source describes it as a forest where Jethi honey was produced, which seems to be a cause of its name as Jethian. तो मेरा जोर इसी पर था। Master Xuanzang calls it Yashtivan. This is not a Pali word, it is a Sanskrit word, and describes it as a grove of bamboos, giving accounts of its origin and various stories connected with it. As we know, the word Lathi is a Pali word, while Yasti comes from Sanskrit. Both the words are almost identical with slight difference, as the word Yasti is always used for a small stick, while Lathi is lengthier and thicker in size. There was a Supatithit Chaitya in this forest where the Buddha stayed during his first visit to Rajagah. after his enlightenment. He visited this precise place following his words given to King Bimbisar earlier while proceeding to Uruvela in the search of his ultimate goal of salvation. Having perceived the arrival of Buddha, King Bimbisar visited him with a huge number of his followers. This is the place where Uruvela Kassapa dispelled their doubts by declaring his acceptance of the Buddha as his teacher. The day after Bimbisar's legendary reception for the Buddha, he invited the Blessed One for a meal at his palace. The Buddha honored the king with his presence, and towards the end of that day, the king of Bimbisar welcomed the whole Sangha with generous donation of alms and asked the Buddha to accept for the Sangha his favorite pleasure garden, the Kalandak Niwap bamboo grove. It was an appropriate place for abode of the Buddha and his followers because of its ideal distance from the dense habitation. Not too far from the town, not too near, suitable for accessing an easy commute for all. Not much crowded during the day and not exposed to noise at night. Bereaved from materialistic activities and peaceful for secluded meditation, to be devoted to spiritual practices. This was the very first piece of land accepted by the Buddha for refuge and were later termed Veluvan Aram. It is mentioned in Pali commentaries that after this incident, it was widely accepted to devote lands for monks for such aramas. Kalandak Niwap is the place nearly always mentioned as the spot where the Buddha stayed in Veluvan. There many Vinaya rules were passed, for example, on the keeping of the vasa, on the use of food cooked in the monastery, the picking of edible fruits in the absence of any layman from whom permission to do so could be obtained. Surgical operations on the monks, the eating of sugar, the rubbing of various parts of the body against wood, the use of the kinds of dwelling, and the use of gold and silver. During the Buddha's stay at Veluvan, Dabba Mallaputta, at his own request, was appointed regulator of lodging and dispenser of rations. The Buddha was at Veluvan when Dabba also decided to die. He went there to take leave of the Buddha. This is the place where Sariputta and Moggalan brought back the 500 monks whom Devadatta had induced away to Gayasis. The Buddha spent the second, third and fourth vasas at Veluvan. It was a very peaceful place, and monks who had taken part in the first convocation, that is Sangeti, rested there in Kalandak Niwap after their exertions. With these words, I once again extend my gratitude to the people gathered here and wish a very happy and successful peace war. Thank you.
बर्मा और कई देशों के लोग आए हुए यहाँ आप लोग देख
Thank you, sir,
भिक्षु संघ लोग
for
सभी को नमो बुद्धाय।
your description of this place
जय
based on
संविधान
Pali
जय
literature.
निवासी।